Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, it's me Zavardi, and for today's video, I'll show you how to set up your aquarium in affordable cost that looks elegant for a newbie like me. So take a look and watch this video until the end. Using black cartolina, cover the back portion of an aquarium. You may use any color you prefer. You can also choose adhesive wallpaper if you have extra sheets at home. This aquarium measures 30 by 12 by 12. I have been collecting these beach rocks with colors gray, black, and white brown rocks. And I already prepared few sets of aqua plants and danio fish. Let's start decorating and designing. Using this rack can add beauty onto your aquarium. Let's see how it's done. I have this medium-sized driftwood. This is perfect for aquascaping. Though it's lightweight, but that's fine. I just put a little rock on top of it so it won't float when submerged on water. Just keep going. Doing this project takes time, but it's worth when you see the final design. Let's put another layered rocks on the other side. Before putting water in it, place a piece of plastic just above the rock so it won't separate the rock's formation when adding water. And it's time for air pump installation. And then it's time to add aquarium plants. I still need to buy more of these aqua plants. The more aquarium plants, the better. Now Danios fish had their new home. Let's take a closer look for this simple aquarium setup. Oh, I can't stop mesmerizing these colorful danios fish. These fish release my stress just by viewing them. And few hours after, I redecorate those rocks on the side to look more bolder and for the fish can play and hide in it. Also add more plants on the front side of the driftwood. I think this is better than the first one. What do you think? Let me see your thoughts on the comment section. And that's all for today. I hope you've learned from this video. And if so, please hit the like and comment down your reaction and suggestion to improve my simple way of doing aquascaping for beginners. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Shout out Kerner.